Hi children, today we are doing something very interesting, something that you like. We are doing numbers. We already learned to count. We learned to recognize the numbers. Now we should know their name. Do you have a name? Yeah, you have a name. You know to spell out your name. So today we are going to do the number name. Every number has a name and we should learn to spell it and write it correctly. First learn to spell before we write. Yes, so we are doing number names. How many numbers did you learn so far? 1 to 10. You learn to count. You learn to count on your fingers. You learn to count the objects. Now, number has a name. So we are going to learn what is the name of each of the numbers, learn their spellings. Shall we? Good. Let's look at our first picture. Look at the exercise very carefully. It's very interesting. You love it. Yes? Look what is coming up here. You like this? What is this? What picture is this? It's a picture of a ball. What do you do with the ball? You bounce and roll and play. Yes. But how many balls are there? Can you count? Yes, 1. How many? Just one single ball. So you learn to count. How do you count? Touch and count. 1. And how do you write the number 1? Here is number 1 from top to bottom. Standing line. So one object you match with one number. Now this number has a name. What is this? It's a ball. What is this? Number 1. What is this? One ball. How do we write 1? Number 1. How do we spell? In words. Now you have to write, this is the number. Now we are going to learn to write it in words. O-N-E, 1. This is number 1 and this is the O-N-E is 1 in spelling. In words. Numbers here and you write it in words. Very good. So you learn to count the picture, recognize the number and spell it in words. How do we write number 1? O-N-E, 1. Very good. Shall we go to our next picture? Good. Shall we look at the picture? What is this? Again, picture of ball. Let us count together. 1, 2. How many balls are there? 2 colorful ones. How do we represent the 2? Here. 2. How do we write the 2 in words? T-W-O-2. Count 1, 2. How do we represent the 2? Here. So we learn to write the 2 number. Then how do we write it in a spelling? In words? T-W-O-2. Number 2. Words T-W-O-2. Very good. So we learn to count, we learn to write and we learn to spell. Number 2. Excellent. Shall we take a next picture? Look what we have here. Count the colorful balls. 1, 2, 3. How many colorful balls are there? 3. There are 3 colorful balls. How do we represent in a number? Here, number 3. How many balls are there? There are 3 balls. How do you write? In words now. This is 3. In words, you will write it as, call out the spelling, T-H-R-E-E. 3. This is number 3. Words, in words, how do you write? T H R E E 3. 3 balls representing number 3. And then how do you spell out? Words, how do you write 3 in words? T H R E E 3. Very good. Shall we take a next picture? Count. Yes, count now the colorful balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls are there? There are 4 colorful balls. How do we represent number 4? Write the number 4. Here we are. This is number 4. How do you spell number 4? Write in words. F O U R 4. So we learn to write the number. We learn to write in words. Spell out 4. F O U R. Very good. We counted. There are 4 pictures of balls represent. And then you write the number 4. This number, you write it in words. F O U R 4. Very good. Shall we take another picture? Good. Let's count the pictures here. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many colorful balls are there? There are 5. Do you know how to write number 5? Recognize number? Good. This is number 5. 5 balls. 5. This is number 5. Now how do you write the number 5 in words? Look. F I V E 5. In pictures we have 5 balls. Number, you learn to write the number 5. And you write this number in words. F I V E 5. Very good. Let's go to our next picture and count the beautiful, colorful ball. Shall we? Here we are. Count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many colorful balls are there? 6. Very good. How do we write number 6? How do we represent the 6th ball? This is 6. Number 6. So you learn to write and recognize number 6. Now we need to write the 6 in words. Look, spell it out. S I X 6. So we learn to count. We learn to write the number. We learn to write the number in words. S I X 6. Very good. Shall we go to our next picture? Count. Let's count the beautiful, colorful balls here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? Altogether there are 7. Do you know how to write number 7? Represent this number. We counted? Yes. This is number 7. You learn to recognize the number, write the number 7. Good. Now, how do we write this number in words? Look. In words, spell it out. S E V E N. 7. We learn to write the number. We learn to write the number in words too. We learn to count the number of colorful picture here. 7. We represent 7 by writing 7. Now you know how to write 7? Good. How do we write the 7 in words? S E V E N. 7. Good. Shall we take another picture? Good. Now let's count all the colorful balls in this box. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there all together? There are 8. You know how to write number 8? Here we are. How do we write? This is number 8. So we got 8 pictures of ball. You learn to represent the 8 in number. This is number 8. Very good. How do we write number 8? How do we write in words? Look. E, I, G, H, T, 8. This is number, and this is number 8 in words. These are 8 pictures. We represent it and we learn to write the number 8, and we learn to write the number in words. Spell it out. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Very good. Shall we go to our next picture? Good. Let's look at the pictures and count correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many colorful balls are there? There are 9 colorful balls. Can we represent in number? Do you know to write the number? Yes, there are 9, and this is number 9. Number 9. This number 9 can be written in words. This number 9, how do we write in words? Spell it out. In words, N, I, N, E, 9. This is number 9, and this is in words 9. Very clever children. You counted and you got 9 beautiful pictures, and you wrote the number 9 here. Number 9 balls, number 9. And how do you write number 9 in words? Here we are. 9. N-I-N-E, 9. Very good. Shall we go to another picture? Look at the pictures. Count carefully all the colorful balls. Okay, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the box, how many colorful balls are there? There are 10 balls. Do you know how to write number 10? Yes, very good. This is number 10, 2-digit number. Number 1 and 0, 10. 10 balls. You learn to write the number 10. Very good. Now, this number, how can you write it in words? Spell it out for me. T-E-N, 10. How do you write the number in words? T-E-N, 10. Very good. Hi children. Today let us do something different. What have I here? Can you read this? Read with me. Find the numerals. Find the numerals. You learned numerals. You learned the names of the numerals. You learned how to spell. Yes? Now, when you look at the word T-E-N, what is the numeral that comes to you? Good. 1 and 0. So we are going to find the numerals here. Yes, you have learned all the spelling, all the names of the numbers, numerals. You know the naming, isn't it? Now at random, I'll give you some names of the numerals, and you must name the numeral. You must say, this is 3, 2 or 10 or 9. Can we do that? It's very interesting. Yes, so we are going to find the numerals. Who's going to find? You are going to find the numerals for me. I'll give you a word, you spell it out, read, and you find the numeral for me. Shall we? Here we are. Let's look at our first exercise. Look what we have here. Look what is in the box. Read aloud, spell and tell me. With me. Read with me. T W O. T W O. What is that? Good. So you found the numeral 2. Good. Take your fingers. Count. 1, 2. Numeral 2. How do we write this 2? Like this. 2. So this is the name of this numeral. T W O 2. What is T W O? 2. 1, 2. And we learned. So 2, both are correct, matching. So you found the numeral for this name, TWO2. This is the numeral. Very good. You are becoming very clever. Shall we take our next exercise? Look at the spelling. Read aloud and say. And find the numeral for me. Come, read with me. N-I-N-E. What is N-I-N-E? Good. 9. Now, find 9 fingers for me. Shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we know 9. So we found the numeral 9. What is the name of this number? What is the name of this numeral? N-I-N-E. So you learn the spelling, you learn to identify the name, and you learn to identify the numeral with the name, matching both. Yes? Very good. Let us take another exercise. Now, you read aloud, spell, and tell me the numeral for this. Let's do it together. F-O-U-R. What is this? F-O-U-R. What is F-O-U-R? 4. Very good. 4. Take 4 fingers on your little hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. How do we write the 4 numeral? Good. So you know to show on the fingers, you know to spell it. F-O-U-R. 4. So you found the numeral 4 for the number's name. Very good. This is 4 and this is numeral 4. Matching. And show me 4 on your fingers. 4. And here is the 4 numeral. And here is the spelling. Very good. Let's take another spelling and find the numeral for me. Good. See what we have here. Let's spell together. S-E-V-E-N. Say it again. S-E-V-E-N. What is S-E-V-E-N? What is it? Good. 7. 7. Very good. You found the numeral 7. Take a little finger. Take 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you found the numeral 7. And you learned to spell 7. Its name. S-E-V-E-N. You learn to read the word 7. You learn to write the numeral 7. You learn to show 7 on your fingers. Good. Very good. Shall we take another exercise? Look what you have. Read aloud. Tell me the numeral. T-H-E-A. H R E E. What is T H R E E? Good. 3. T H R E E. 3. The name of this numeral. How do we write the 3? Here. Let's count on the finger. 3. 1, 2, 3. You found 3 on your fingers. You have the spelling 3. T H R E E 3. And you found the numeral for this. Good. You learned to recognize the spelling. You learned to put down the numeral correctly. Good. 3, 3, 3. Good. Shall we take another exercise? Are you enjoying it? Yes, it's very interesting. Look, let's read together, spell together, and find the numeral. Good. S-I-X. What is S-I-X? Good. 6. S-I-X is 6. Good. The numeral 6. Take your little finger. Count up to 6. Show me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. You learn to count on your finger. 6. Here is the numeral 6. How do we write the name of 6? S-I-X. Good. S-I-X. 6. The name and the numeral 6. And you learn to show on your fingers 6. Very good. Very interesting exercise, isn't it? Let's look at another exercise, shall we? Good. Let's go to another one. Now, spell with me and find the numeral for me. T-E-N. What is T-E-N? Good. 10. T-E-N is 10. And do you know how to write the numeral 10? Here we are. 1 and 0. Let's take our fingers. Count. How many fingers have you? You have 10 fingers. You have 10 fingers. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 on one hand and 5 on the other. So you have 10 fingers. 10. How do we write the name of this numeral? T-E-N. 10. How do we write the numeral? 1 and 0. 10. Very good. You found the numeral so beautifully. Learn to read and also to recognize the numeral. Good. 10, 10 on your finger. 5 and 5, 10. Good. Shall we go to another exercise and enjoy doing the exercise together? Good. Look what we have here. Let's spell together. E-I-G-H-T. What is E-I-G-H-T? What is that? Read with me. 8. Very good. 8. So you found the numeral 8 and we'll write it down. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Numeral 8. Let's take our fingers and count up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is numeral 8. This is the name of the numeral. 8. Spell E-I-G-H-T. 8. Very good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we take another one? Yes, let's go to the next exercise. Look what we have here. Come on, spell with me. O-N-E. O-N-E. What is O-N-E? Very good. 1. Numeral 1. O-N-E is the name of the numeral 1. Show me 1 on your finger. 1. Very good. You learn to name the numeral. You learn to write the numeral. And here we are showing one on your finger. Very good. Did you enjoy the exercise? Shall we go to another one? Good. Let's look what we have here. Spell with me. Good. F-I-V-E 5. Good. F-I-V-E 5. Let's take on the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the numeral 5. What is the name of this numeral? F-I-V-E 5. And on your finger, 5 fingers. Good. Did you enjoy the exercise?